Good evening, YouTube. Out with the BLX GT 4S test hit, zeroed out. Picking up, I just dropped my phone and cracked it. Start, stop, read, 0, start, stop, read. Zeroed out, start, connect it to the car. Drop it off, see what it'll do. Just dropped my damn phone. I don't know how I did that, fellas, but I did. Let's get this thing dropped off. $4S. Oh shit. Already starting off wrong about it. Fuck something up. Didn't have the range booster plugged up. Got it dropped off. ZD Racing GT BLX 112 scale. See what we got. See what we got, fellas. Make sure we can see. Let's get it. $4S. Damn, here come a damn car coming. Shit. Glad we wasn't out there in the road trying to take that. All right, see what it got. 4S. bx12 GT. See what it got, fellas. It's clear. Let's go. Something happened. There go there, stop. Something came unplugged. Something came unplugged. Something came unplugged, fellas. Yeah, something definitely.
Whew. Sound like it had cut power on me. She's still alive. She's right there. Alright, let's get her out the bushes. I couldn't get... I feel like it might have cut. Like I got into it a little too fast. But she was moving. Oh, I lost steering somewhere. Something came unplugged. I don't got no steering at all. Yeah, something came unplugged. Alright. It's still connected to the car. Still picking up. Something came unplugged. Stop. Read. 144, baby. 144, and it came unplugged. Let's get down here and see what the problem was. Something came fucking unplugged. I don't know what it was. But something came unplugged. She had more. I had to get up out of it. Something came unplugged. Damn. 144. PB. She was moving. Alright, let's see what came unplugged real quick. What came unplugged? This don't have no reception. Alright. 144. Whew. Moving. Let's see, what came unplugged, fellas? Had to be the receiver must have came out. I don't know how it did it, but we got spared. Let's see. Receiver must have definitely came out. What the hell? I don't got no reception. I don't know. It's like the car ain't even on at all. Well, we went 144. So, world fastest BLX GT, 144 miles an hour, 3,005 feet. I don't know what just happened. Did the battery... Did something go out? Something happened. I don't got no power at all. Did my receiver go bad or something? We don't got nothing going on. No power, no reception, no nothing. I ain't never heard of that, but like the receiver might have went bad. Let's see. I don't know. It don't have nothing, no power. Did my solder melt? Oh, that's why. Damn bullet came loose. Damn it. That whole thing came unsoldered right there, fellas. We would have beat that. The whole wire unsoldered. He got to fix that tomorrow. All right, we see what it is. We out. RC Ghost Night Running King. Checkout time. PB 144 BLX GT 112 scale. Y'all see what it is. Stock everything. We'll get that wire fixed. Take that to get that soldered in the morning and get that right. So it's all good, fellas. Have him clean that out and resolder that up tomorrow. Might have to take that whole bullet off of there. So we'll see. But it's RC Ghost Knight, the King. Peace. We got to go. Check out time.